Hello students, welcome back. In this session we will study how Krishna Bhakti was spread in various parts of our country by the devotees of Lord Krishna in the Bhakti movement. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was the great devotee of Lord Krishna. He spread the importance of Krishna Bhakti in Bengal. Due to his teachings, people joined the Bhakti movement in transcending the boundaries of caste and creed. Transcending means going beyond the boundaries. Means people joined the Bhakti movement in transcending the boundaries of caste and creed. Under the influence of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Shankaradeva spread the Bhakti movement in Assam. Narsi Mehta was a renowned Vaishnava Sant in Gujarat. He was an ardent devotee of Lord Krishna. He gave the message of equality. He is known as the first poet of Gujarati language. Sant Mirabai was the great devotee of Lord Krishna. Devotee means follower. She belonged to the royal family of Mewar. She renounced all pleasures of the royal family and immersed herself in devotion of Lord Krishna. Means Sant Mirabai belonged to rich royal family. But she renounced all the pleasures of the royal family. Renounced means she no longer wanted to enjoy that pleasure. She left the royal pleasures and involved herself in the devotion, bhakti of Lord Krishna. She composed devotional verses in Rajasthani and Gujarati languages. Her devotional verses give the message of devotion, tolerance and humanity. Verses means any writing which is written in a rhythm form, rhyming form, means like poetry. Devotion means loyalty, faithfulness, love for God, and tolerance means forgiving someone for their mistakes, forgiveness or sympathy, and humanity means mankind, brotherhood, helping each other. A person should have a quality of being kind with others with understanding. So, the message of devotion, tolerance and humanity was given by Sant Mirabai. Sant Sena was also a great devotee of Lord Krishna. Like other saints, he had also spread the message of devotion, bhakti and humanity among the people. Sant Rohidas was a great saint. He given the message of equality and humanity. Surdas, a great poet of Hindi literature, also was the devotee of Lord Krishna. Devotion to Krishna Bhakti is the subject of his work. He composed the poetic work Sur Sagar in the praise of Lord Krishna. Ras Khan, the Muslim saint, was also the devotee of Lord Krishna. Even his verses, means poems or poetries written in the praise of Lord Krishna, are melodious. Sant Tulsidas was a renowned saint for his devotion to deity Rama. He wrote several popular works in Sanskrit. Ramcharitra Mansa of Sant Tulsidas is a beautiful composition expressing the devotion to Lord Rama. Students, I am sharing the video related to Bhakti movement. Go through it and we will continue our chapter number 3 in next history lecture.
For a long time, India struggled to outlast her foreign invaders. True to tradition and firm in faith, they united to defend neighbors.
Under pressure to bow and convert, Hindus found strength and love in their hearts to keep alive the ageless wisdom and prosper in science and fine arts.
Immersed in God's love so intensely, Bhakti saints lit a fire that shone. Through their music and divine poems, love poured forth to melt the very stones. Poets and writers, swamis and saints spread the seeds of their ancestors' creed. By teaching the knowledge of dharma, they held on till armies did recede.
Countless saints sang in worship of God. All across the land they praised His name. Shiva, Shakti, Rama or Krishna, different names for the one and the same.
Immersed in God's love so intensely, Bhakti saints lit a fire that shone. Through their music and divine poems, love poured forth to melt the very stones. Their profound wisdom echoes through time, their poems radiate brilliance.
Their godly words and blissful music are sung to this day by millions.
Immersed in God's love so intensely, Bhakti saints lit a